Magandang buhay! Ang pag-uusapan natin ay ang factors of quadratic trinomials, yung general quadratic trinomials. Ano ba ang quadratic trinomial? A quadratic trinomial is a second-degree polynomial with three terms in the form of ax squared positive px plus c, where a, b, and c are non-zero integral coefficients. The discussion will be divided into two parts. Case 1, a quadratic trinomial where a equals to 1, or simple quadratic trinomial. Case 2, a quadratic trinomial where a is greater than 1, o yung tinatawag na general quadratic trinomial. Pero ang pag-uusapan natin is general quadratic trinomial. Yung case 2, a quadratic trinomial where a greater than 1, or tinatawag na general quadratic trinomial. Ax squared plus bx plus c. A is greater than 1. So, ito yung A. So, this will be your A. So, that will be the first term, the numerical coefficients of x squared. So, it's greater than 1. Examples, 8x squared negative 14x plus 3. 8 is greater than 1. 2a squared negative 5a negative 12, 2 is greater than 1. Then 3m squared positive 6m negative 9, 3 is greater than 1. So they call it, these are an example of general quadratic trinomial. Example, factor 8x squared negative 14x plus 3. So ang gagawin natin, unang-unang gagawin is i-multiply natin yung first term, yung numerical coefficient ng x squared, and then yung last term. So yung 8 at saka 3, i-multiply natin, and therefore magiging positive 24. So we have positive 24. Then after that, kukunin natin yung factors of positive 24. Now look at this. Yung last term is positive. So yung middle term is negative. So it means to say, yung dalawang factors mo, it can be a negative or it can be positive. So factors of 24. 1 times 24. Negative 1 times negative 24. Negative 2 multiply negative 12. 2 multiply 12 is also positive 24. Negative 3 times 8 is positive 24. Then 3 times 8 is also positive 4. 4 times 6, 24. Then we have 4 times 6 also, both positive. The answer is positive 24. So if we multiply like sign, the answer is always positive. Next, after you list down all the factors of positive 24, now this time, sum of the factors, kukunin natin yung, i-add natin yung dalawang factors ng 24. 1 plus 24 is 25. Negative 1 plus negative 24 is negative 25. Negative 2 plus negative 12, negative 14. 2 plus 12, positive 14. Negative 3 plus negative 8, negative 11. 3 plus 8, positive 11. Negative 4 plus negative 6 equals negative 10. 4 plus 6 equals positive 10. Now, look at the middle term. The middle term, the coefficients of x is 14, negative 14. So, ang ibig sabihin nun, may clue tayo na kukunin natin yung dalawang factors niya. Yung sum niya is negative 14. So, eto yun. Negative 2, positive, plus negative 12, the answer is negative 14. So, ito yung kukunin nating factor itong dalawa. So, therefore, we have 8x squared negative 14x plus 3. So, ito yung dalawang factors. Pag nag-multiply ka, if you multiply negative 2 and negative 12, the answer is positive 24. If you add them, the answer is 14. Next, yung using the form, this form, ito yung ginamit natin ito yung nagamit natin ito doon sa simple quadratic trinomial. So, gagamitin natin itong form na to. Tapos, i-insert lang natin yung negative 2 at saka yung negative 12. And therefore, we have x negative 2 multiplied to x negative 12. Tapos, i-divide natin ng 8. Bakit 8? Kasi ang first term mo, yung numerical coefficients ng x squared is positive 8. So, i-divide natin yung dalawa, yung factors ng positive 24. So, tapos, we have factors of 8 is 2 times 2 times 2. Then, we have factors of 12 is 2 times 3 times 2 or 2 times 2 times 3. Then, factors of 8, again, 2 times 2 times 2. Then, cancel out yung 2 at saka yung 2. Then, yung isa naman, cancel out yung common factor, cancel 2 and 2. So, 2 divided by 2, the answer is 1. Then, yung isa naman, cancel out. So, 3 yung matitira. So, 3. And then, after that, sa ilalim, yung 4 at saka yung 2. Bakit 4? Kasi yung remaining factor niya sa baba is 2 times 2 is 4. Ito naman, yung remaining factor is 2. Tapos, ang gagawin natin, after we simplify, itong 4, ilalagay natin dito sa x. So, bali yung x, yung numerical coefficient niya is 4, magiging 4. Ito, yung value ng x dito, yung numerical coefficients of x is 1. So, yung 2, ilalagay natin doon. I-multiply natin sa 1. And therefore, we have x minus 1, x minus 3. Yung 4, mapupunta siya dito. So, bali, ito yung magiging numerical coefficients ng x. And then, yung isa, yung 2, yun yung magiging numerical coefficients ng 2. And therefore, ito yung magiging sagot mo. 4x minus 1 multiplied to 2x minus 3. So, this will be your factored form. Now, let us check kung tama yung ginawa natin. Kung tama yung factor, yung 4x minus 1 at saka yung 2x minus 3. If you multiply 4x and 2x, the answer is 8x squared. Then, tama. Then, negative 1, negative 3, multiply mo, positive 3 kasi like sign, positive. Tapos, kukunin natin yung middle term. Paano pag kinukuha yung middle term? I-multiply mo yung outer at saka yung inner. Or I mean, kukunin mo yung outer at saka inner. Ito yung outer. Multiply mo yung dalawa. Tapos, magiging negative 12x. Then, we have inner. Multiply. Negative 1 times positive 2. We have negative 2x. Then, if you add this negative 12x and negative 2x, the answer is positive 14x, ay negative 14x. Negative 14x. So, and therefore, this will be your factored form. Okay? So, yun. So, negative 14x. So, add both negative, add magiging 14x. Outer and inner. Next, number 2. Factor 2a squared negative 5a negative 12. So, again, multiply the first and the last term. So, 2 and 12 multiply. We have negative 24. Now, look at this sign. So, the last term is negative and the middle term is negative. So, therefore, the two factors, we have negative, positive, or positive, then negative. So, factors of negative 24. We have 1 times negative 24, negative 1 times 24, 2 times negative 12, negative 2 times 12, then 3 times negative 8, negative 3 times 8, 4, negative 6, then negative 6 multiply or negative 4 multiply 6, the answer is negative 12. Then after you list down all the factors of negative 24, then sum of the factors, kukunin natin yung i-add natin yung dalawang factors. Add 1 plus negative 24, we have negative 23. Negative 1 plus 24 is positive 23. 2 plus negative 12 is negative 10. Negative 2 plus 12, 10. 3 plus negative 8, we have negative 5. Negative 3 plus 8, 5. Then 4 plus negative 6, we have negative 2. Then negative 4 plus 6, the answer is 2. Pero ang target natin yung negative 5, yung middle term. Kailangan negative 5 yung sum. So, ito yung sagot. Ito yung factors na dalawa na kapag nag-multiply ka is negative 24, pero kapag in-add mo, negative 5. So, ito yung middle term. Ito yung sum of the two factors, which is the middle term, is negative 5. 2a squared negative 5a negative 12. So, ito yung dalawang factors, 3 positive and negative 8. So, yung using the form, so ito yung magiging form natin. So, insert natin yung positive 3 at saka yung negative 8. So, ito yon magiging a plus 3, then a minus 8. Tapos, i-divide natin ng 2. Saan na galing yung 2? Dito sa first term. Itong numerical coefficients ng a squared is 2. So, ito yon i-divide natin both. Yung positive 3 and negative 8 ng 2. So, factors ng 8 is 2 times 2 times 2. Then, yung 2, of course, is 2. So, cancel out. So, therefore, ito yon a plus 3, a minus 4. Saan ang galing yung 4? Because 2 times 2 is 4. Kasi kinancel out natin yung dalawa. Okay, cancel the common factor. Tapos, 2, ayun. And then, 4, yung isa, negative 4. So, tapos, itong 2, ilalagay natin dito. Kumbaga, i-multiply natin yung 1 at saka yung 2. So, 2 times 1, magiging 2. Or i-insert natin dito sa, so, bali, ito yung magiging numerical coefficients ng a, yung 2. So, we have a plus 3, a minus 4. So, insert natin yung 2 sa a. So, magiging 2a. And therefore, ito yung magiging factored form mo. Check natin. 2a multiply a is 2a squared. 3 multiply negative 4 is negative 12. 2a times negative 4 is negative 8a. 3 times a is positive 3a. And then, add. The answer is negative 5a. So therefore, the given factor form is 2a plus 3 multiplied to a minus 4. Next, factor 7m squared positive 16m plus 4. So again, multiply the first and last term, the numerical coefficients. And therefore, 7 times 4 is 28, positive 28. So look at the sign, positive, positive. So therefore, yung factors ng 28, wala kang i-multiply na negative. So all factors are positive. Factors of 28. 1 times 28, 4 times 7, 2 times 14. Then, so these are the factors of 28. Then after that, sum of the factors. 1 plus 28, 29, positive. 4 plus 7, both positive, 11. 2 plus 14 is 16. So, tapos, ang target natin dito, yung middle term. Ang middle term natin is 16. Yung numerical coefficients ng m, positive 16. And therefore, ito yung gagamitin natin. So, bali, ito yung magiging, ito yung gagamitin nating factors, yung 2 at saka yung positive 14. Next, 7m squared plus 16m plus 14. Then, yung 2 at saka positive 14, Ito yung factors na pag pinag-add mo, magiging 16m. Tapos, using the form, insert mo yung positive 2 at saka yung positive 14. So, magiging m plus 7, m plus 14. Tapos, i-divide natin ng both 7. Bakit 7? So, again, kukunin mo yung, i-insert mo lang yung 7. Dito, i-divide mo lang. Ito yung numerical coefficients ng m squared is 7. So, i-divide natin ito. Itong factors ng 7 times 4, which is 28. Tapos, ito yung factors ng 14, 2 times 7. So, yung 7, factors niya, 1 times 7. So, tapos, you cancel out. 7, the common factor. So, therefore, we have m plus 2, m plus 2. So, yung 2, kasi yun yung remaining factor niya. Or 14 divided by 7 is 2. Tapos, yung 7, ayun. Then, insert mo doon sa, so bali siya yung magiging numerical coefficients ng m. And therefore, we have 7m plus 2 multiplied to m plus 2. And therefore, this will be your factored form. I-check natin kung tama. 7m multiply m is 7m squared. 2 times 2, parang positive, 4. Then 7m plus 7m times 2 is 14m. 2 times m is 2m. So therefore, 16m pag pinag-add mo. So ito yung magiging factored form natin. Thank you for watching and I hope na meron kayong natutunan. Good day. Bye.